Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Acura MDX key battery. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR 2032 battery, and your key fob. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, ensuring you won't misplace any tiny parts. It's crucial to use a fresh CR 2032 battery for reliable operation. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the casing should begin to separate. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the internal electronics. Once open, you'll see the circuit board and the old battery.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: if you love reading, whether it's your car's manual or a thrilling novel, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for reading anywhere, even in bright sunlight. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the key fob open, observe how the old battery is positioned. It's usually a CR 2032 coin cell. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or even a fingernail. Be careful not to touch the circuit board too much. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact and function. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely sealed. Double-check all edges to ensure there are no gaps. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Acura MDX. If everything works, you've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.